We are here. We just got the Gazette, and this tells us like all the food options and all the drinks. Where to go. We're so excited. Our first stop is the video store because we want to get the t-shirt they have because it's so cute.
Priority right now.
Priority. So let's go see that. And there is the shirt that I want. It's so cute. We want to get all the movies in here. But luckily we found the shirt we wanted. So cute. Luke's hot chocolate. We had the hot chocolate last year and it was actually really good. These cute little Luke gloves. Let's try one.
You're so soft.
No, I like them like this because then it doesn't cover like all your hand, you know? These are really cute.
They're only 12.
I'm gonna get these.
I'm getting them.
Here is Luke's Diner. We waited an hour and a half last time, which I don't know if we're gonna wait that long this time. 60 minutes for this. And last time it was just a quick photo op. It was cute inside, but I think we got our pictures that we needed. With Luke's car. Is this the one that Jess drives too? Now we need Jess to come pick us up. This looked real. Let's go into Dozie's Market. Shopping basket. It's so cute, but what would I use it for? To put books and reshelve them in my bookshelves? You could put all your Kindle cases in it. That'd be really cute, actually.
Okay.
Time to send some letters to Jess. We are here at Stars Hollow Bookstore. What are we gonna find in there? Some smut?
Some smut?
And then the classics that Rory reads? Oh wait, or the book that Jess read and then he annotated for her, right? Ah! Wait, it's starting to sprinkle. Let's go inside. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this half zip. It says Team Logan on it. So cute. If you're gonna throw your life away, you better have a motorcycle. Girl, what? You know what team we are. I do have her audiobook on my Libby hold, so I do want to read it. Also, 2 years ago, I saw her at the LA Book Festival, and she was promoting, I think, this book, but she had a panel and everything. We bought this shirt last year, and then this year they have it in a crew neck. That's really cute. What does this say? Your ideal dinner party guest would be?
Killian Murphy.
Heck yeah. All the boys on our Irish roster.
Add him on there. Wait, can you only?
The Life and Death Brigade. If he took me to this, I would fold. Automatic. Food time! It also started raining. That's why we're wearing our ponchos. We're gonna take a little food break. We got the chow mein that we got last year, and it was so good last year. So let's see if it's the same one.
Yep. The tacos are pretty good too. The meat's good.
Buzz down. Yeah, it smells the same too. I like whatever sauce they use to make it. It's not like regular chow mein. What's the news today? What's the hotties on the crossword puzzle?
Jazz, the bad ones are hard How are you guys?
A ver. Your Team Dean, you're canceled.
Automatically.
Logan isn't in here.
Logan? No, what was the other one? Tristan?
Tristan! Luke's menu? That's actually really cute. Oh, it's a notebook. Oh, look, they have a gray shirt this year. I have the brown one of this one. Oh, it's right here. But they also have it in gray. This tote is so cute. They have it in a pillow. And a blanket. This shirt is so cute.
It's so cute.
I just don't like that it's giving America. It's giving 4th of July. And we know that's canceled. We left before the Christmas lighting. It was pouring.
We couldn't do it.
No, it got too cold. So now we're just in the gift shop. Yeah, we didn't bring an umbrella. We weren't prepared. Nothing.
But we still had fun.
Yeah.
We did all the stuff we wanted to in the morning. So.
Period. And we got a cool t-shirt. You got a cool sweater.
And a basket for my stuff.
Oh, yeah. And the basket.
For my trinkets.
The dozies. But yeah, it was fun. Time to go. I'm cold. And that's all, folks.